I'm waiting in the recovery room for her. They have said that she is awake. They will wheel her back here soon. So hopefully she did good. Hello!
She is having a little bit of pain.
How are you? Good. You still tired? And she's asleep again. Rest. I always appreciate nurses. You're so wonderful.
Thank you for saying that. It's easy when you got a patient like her though. It's been better than most adults. So
Her and I was like, whoa, she's pretty.
yeah,
Like,
that's
stop
we all
me.
did. We all
Stopped me and I
stopped.
was like, whoa, she is so cute.
And I had to.
Are you okay, honey? Oh, and they got you what is that?
It's a little moose.
Oh, so cute.
It was really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You've been so great. Can you tell Christy thank you? Hi, Klai.
Hello.
Okay, how are you feeling?
Good.
Can you feel any pain? Do you need another pillow? How are you today?
Good.
You look all chipper. Can you do a cartwheel?
No.
Can you do a handstand?
No.
Can you pick your nose?
No.
No? I think you're doing much better. You feel good?